have number 2. 5x over 3 divided by 4x. Feel free to pause the video. Always remember, pag wala po kayong nakikitang denominator, any number, any expression, meron talagang imaginary denominator na 1. Kasi nga po, 4x divided by 1, parang 4x lang din naman, walang silbi si 1. Okay? So now, let's divide this. Again, we have to copy 5x over 3 first. Then, simply change the division to multiplication and get the reciprocal of 4x over 1, at ito ay naging 1 over 4x. Now, let's operate. 5x times 1, that is simply 5x. 3 times 4x, we have 12x. So, x divided by x, of course, 1 na yan. And we have 5 over 12.